This overhead rig turns a regular desk into a flexible shooting station for streaming, tutorials, and overhead product videos without needing a bulky tripod. The trifold boom arm feels solid yet easy to reposition, comfortably handling small cameras, lights, or microphones while staying steady once tightened. Its tall, telescoping column with a clamp that grips thick desks makes it simple to get true top-down shots or eye-level framing in tight workspaces. The included ball heads offer smooth full rotation and strong tilt adjustment, so dialing in precise camera or light angles is quick and frustration-free. Adapters for different thread sizes and the integrated phone holder make it straightforward to swap between a mirrorless camera, smartphone, and microphone on the same rig. Overall build quality, rigidity under load, and the compact folding design make this a very practical choice for creators who need a reliable overhead setup on a small desk.